Hi and welcome once again. This is Honesty Pace and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you through how to convert picture to PDF. Okay. And the app that we are going to use is WPS. That is the app that I usually use. So if you don't have it, you can download it from your Apple Store or your Play Store. Then we proceed from there. That is WPS app. That is what we are going to use. Good. So after you have downloaded and installed it, we are going to use it to learn how to convert any of your pictures to PDF for whatever official proceedings or whatever official documentations or whatever processes that you want to make. Now, this is the procedure. So the first thing you're going to do is you open the WPS app and then you click on the plus sign. After clicking on the plus sign, then you select doc. Okay, that is for documents. Then you click on the plus sign. After that, you see that the page for you, that is the window, has been opened. Then you insert the picture that you want to convert to PDF. So for you to do that, you click on this button, okay, the picture button here. It will take you to your gallery. Then you select the picture that you want. Right. After selecting it, you can decide to enlarge it if it is small for you. If not, and then we proceed from there. So when you think the picture is okay, then you click on done. After clicking on done, then you click the save button. After that, you have to choose the location that you want your file to be seen, okay, where you want your file to be. So for instance, let's take it as I want mine to be at my document. So if you want yours also to be at my documents, you click on my documents. That is the location for the file. Then you select the type of file that you want. Since we want to convert the picture to PDF, you just select PDF. Okay, so you click here, then you select PDF. Then you type the name that you want to give to the file. After that, then you click on export to PDF. Then you see the notification telling you that you have successfully exported your file to PDF. When you see that, then you are done. So after that, you can go to your files and you see the PDF file with the name that you used to save it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that anytime I upload new tutorials, you will be notified. It's free to subscribe, so do that. You can also click the share button to share this tutorial with all your friends who want to learn how to convert their pictures to PDF. See you soon.